To purchase VOO or track the S&P 500 through Interactive Brokers. The process is straightforward and quick. Begin by logging into your account on the Interactive Brokers website or mobile app. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it and type in VOO. From the search results, select the option related to the S&P 500. Once selected, navigate to the right side of the screen where you will find the Buy and Sell options. Click on the Buy button to open a new window. In this window, enter the quantity you wish to purchase and select your order type, filling in all required details. After completing these steps, click on the Buy Order button. You may be presented with a confirmation message or warning. Click I accept to proceed. Upon doing so, your VOO purchase will be complete through Interactive Brokers.